Hi everybody, this is my Module 1 for EDL 852. My name is Megan Dusky. So a little bit about me is I am 27 years old. My husband and I live in north central Kansas where we farm and ranch. We raise cattle and pigs. We also raise goats. Actually, right now we're kidding, which means that they are having their babies. I teach second grade at Rock Hills Elementary School in Mankato, and I graduated from K-State in 2016 with my bachelor's degree in elementary education. My hobbies. I love to be outside on the farm with my husband. I enjoy reading, baking, and taking our dog Dixie, who is pictured right here, for walks. And I love to listen to true crime podcasts, and I'm getting into audiobooks. So a little bit about my work. This is my 6th year of teaching. My very first year, I was the reading and math MTSS coordinator for pre-K through 4th grade at Northern Valley in Kansas. And for the last 5 years, I've been teaching 2nd grade. 2 of those years were at Northern Valley, and then the last 3 have been here at Rock Hills. I also coach high school volleyball. This would be my 6th year of coaching, so 3 years at Northern Valley and 3 years at Rock Hills. I thought something that I would put in here is that our school is currently adjusting to having a full-time principal here at the elementary school. In the past, it's been a split position between superintendent and the elementary principal, but right now we have a full-time superintendent and a full-time elementary principal. All right, so let's get into it. The first question is, what is a school mission statement? And I said that it explains what the school is currently doing to achieve the vision. What is the school vision statement? It is an outline of the school's values and objectives. It is a shared vision, and its primary ingredient is to drive the innovation in the school. What is the role and the importance of the school mission and the vision? So when you have goals, a good mission statement, and a clear vision that is well communicated, you can offer the possibility for radical changes and success within your school. Question 4, how do school mission and vision statements work together? I think that they both show their values and their beliefs, and they create a successful program with clarity and direction for a school. Now, when we're talking about a mission, that's how I would describe my school to other people. And when you're creating or talking about a school mission statement, there's 3 questions that you can ask yourself. Whom do you seek to serve? What do you seek to accomplish? And how will you proceed? So like, what methods are you going to be using? The vision is what you provide to your parents and to the community. It's a brief but a very clear overview of the character that you want your school to have. Question number 5, what are the processes for collaboratively developing a mission and vision statement? So you want to cast your vision, implement the vision, communicate and brand the vision, and then sustain the vision. So step 5, I think, should be done with all stakeholders or a group that is made up of a variety of stakeholders, like a school leadership team. For example, at Rock Hills, we have a building leadership team, and then we also have a district leadership team. So it just, the school leadership team or the building leadership team is only for the elementary school. And then the high school, junior high as well, has a building leadership team, and then our district leadership team is made up of people from both buildings and then the district as a whole. Number 6, what are the processes for developing an actionable mission and vision attentive to values and priorities? So you want to think about the age and characteristics of the students that you're going to serve, curriculum philosophy and instructional approaches that you intend to use, and then an overall goal or 2 of the school, and then 1 to 2 specific features of the school. Another thing to add in there is to make your students aware so that way they can start taking ownership of their own learning and fostering their own beliefs about education and thinking, okay, what can I do to meet the goals or to meet the vision that my school has for me? What are the characteristics for a well-written mission and vision statements? You want them to be academically focused because academic growth of students is where it all starts and ultimately leads. And this serves as a reminder that strong academics are a prize. You want the objectives to be clear, so clear language is important so that all people can understand. You want your vision and mission statements to be displayed. They should be displayed in places all over the school environment. They should be discussed in classrooms and at assemblies. They need to be present in the classroom. It should be the primary driving force for teachers, and the focus needs to be backed by administration. So when we talk about it being actively modeled, your admin wants you to do it. The leader should ask questions about the mission statement as it is developed and while it's being implemented. What are the common problems associated with the school mission and vision statements? I truly believe, and this is just from looking at it personally and from some of the resources that we read, is that the continued buy-in from all stakeholders. And I think so if you make it more meaningful to your staff and to your community, by doing a personal promise and holding yourself and others accountable, and making sure that the school's faculty and the Board of Education and other stakeholders periodically review the vision and mission statements to make sure that it's being met, or that maybe we need to change it a little bit because education has evolved and we need to change, our route, and we need to look at things that are important to us. So my own critique, I honestly did not think that vision and mission statements had a lot of stake in what we did. I really just thought it was a broad blanket statement that as long as it sounds good, great. I didn't realize all the weight that it carried behind it, and I was truly just unaware and uneducated about the purpose that vision and mission statements were created for. So when we're taking a look at my own school's vision and mission statements, we have one for the entire district. USD 107's mission statement is that Rock Hill Schools, in partnership with our communities, will provide opportunities to become lifelong learners and responsible citizens. And then I just did the elementary mission statement because I am an elementary teacher and it just holds more value to me. It is the mission of Rock Hills Elementary School to provide and enhance all learners with enriching opportunities that promote independence, with the confidence to have a unique voice and the willingness to contribute to their community and global environments. I do feel like our mission statement is aligned with some of the examples that I read through that were considered best practices. We have some of the popular keywords, community, lifelong, and global, in our mission statements. I don't think I would want to change anything about what our mission statement says, but I would like to see our staff become more aware of what it states, and as well as our board members and our community members. I would like to see it posted around our school and for teachers to plan and prepare lessons that uphold our mission statement. Right now, our school is currently trying to adopt a STEM program, and we're in the process of finding just the right curriculum and finding somebody that would fulfill that position well. And so I think that if we succeed and we find a STEM program that we really like, since we're really pushing STEM, that maybe we need to update our mission and our vision statements to be related to those STEM objectives that we're trying to implement. I threw in this quote in here that we are not concerned about what the group does, but why they do it. I think that it's important that we enable educators to truly find their purpose in the work that they do and connect that purpose with a larger goal that drives innovative change that students and communities deserve. And I think that kind of goes back to what I was saying about like STEM. If that's what we're saying is important, then what we're doing in the classroom needs to reflect that. But I think that all of this supports the educational success and the well-being of students and adults because our goals will be clearly lined out. All parties would be aware of what we believe success will be, and we can create meaningful tasks to have a shared vision of our school. Standard correlation. I think that this assignment was directly correlated to the standard by providing me with the resources to strengthen my knowledge of the purpose of a mission statement and the commitments that we make while developing a mission/vision statement and reflecting on the core values of a school. Relevant. I believe that this assignment was extremely relevant to my current learning as I was unaware and uneducated of the weight that a mission and vision statement held. I am now more aware of the mission and vision statement's purpose in a school and my duty to uphold those visions and mission statements. Reflection. So I believe that this assignment will help me when I am a school leader by driving my focus into making sure my school is upholding the mission and vision statements. It will help me when I am hiring personnel for my school to keep our vision in mind and to hire a person who is like-minded and has those qualities that will uphold our school. I also believe that it will help me to reevaluate our mission and vision statements as we know that education is continually changing and I want to be a proactive leader for my school. Here are my resources, and then I have to include this last slide because I borrowed the layout. So thank you guys.